Good morning, guys. This is Jacob from MarineMax in Panama City Beach, Florida, and today I have the pleasure of showing you the 250 Harris Solstice. As you can see, we do have the navigation lights on just so you can see of how bright they are. This is a two-tone black and red contrast color. Just gives good pop in the red color. Let's go see what this boat's powered with. All right, now that we are here on the back of the boat, this boat is powered by a massive 4-stroke 300 horsepower Mercury. It pushes this boat extremely well. As we move a little bit forward, this does have a removable ski tow bar. It just slides in and out, and you can, if you don't decide to do any ski towing that day or wakeboarding, just leave it in the garage out of your way. This has the single lounger floor plan option, and this is exactly as it is. It's a huge lounger that you can sit in the back and be able to view anybody tubing, wakeboarding, hang out at the island, whatever you want to do. But if you want to have a forward-facing lounge, just flip this lever and this folds back, and then you have additional seating for the front. Hop up in here with me and I'll show you some more. And now we're here at the Helm Station. I'm sitting here at the driver's seat. We do have the dual helm seating option, so your passenger has an excellent high back reclining Harris seat to enjoy the comfort of. This is paired with a Simrad electronics, has JL audio with interior lighting, and as you can see on the sport arch that there's 2 LED lit blue lights. Speakers, cup holders are all also LED lit. Color changing options, we have a knob here, and if we change it, notice the color, interior color changes with it as well. Now that we've seen a little bit more about where we're captaining the boat, let's go check out the hangout spot. So now that we're up here at the hangout spot, I call this the hangout spot because this is where most of the crowd is going to be hanging out, so to speak, and just relaxing and enjoying the day. Up here in the front section, this is paired with 10 cup holders. You have 4 on this side, 4 on this side, with 2 additional ones back here. So you're never at a spot to where you can't set your drink down, but I don't understand why you would be if you're out hanging out. So this also does have a new upgraded wind deflection center plexiglass that forms into just a nice solid structure wall, see-through, so it has a nice aesthetic feel to it. The windshield is a folding windshield. Combined together, it's just going to push the wind right over the top, provide a much smoother, quieter, and warmer ride for the driver and passenger and anybody behind there. If you want to know anything more about this boat, please come see me at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. If you do like our content, please drop a like, subscribe, follow. We have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, social media everywhere. If you have any questions again about this boat, my name is Jacob Wright. Come see me at MarineMax. Contact number is 850-819-9106. Thank you, guys.